Hey my Tiffany J Inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. Today's video I'll be doing a 2-in-1 DIY video. The first DIY is a hair bow holder, which I definitely needed in my daughter's room. She has way too many. However, I just wanted to display a few of them and I could not find one that actually fit her room, so I decided to make it myself, and it nearly cost me nothing to make. I'm also going to show you how to do a display dish where you can hold your soaps, you can hold your favorite plant, you can hold whatever it is, and I cannot wait because both of these DIYs only cost me altogether $5 to do. Yes, only $5 to make both of these DIYs. So I cannot wait to show you. But before we get into today's video, I am super excited because we just hit 500 subscribers. I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed for each and every one of you. I couldn't have done this all without you. So I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway where one winner will win a thank you prize from me for being a part of the TJI family. If you haven't already, this channel is all about deals, DIYs, and decor. So please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. First, you're going to need a pasta drying rack. I purchased this one from my local Target in the bullseye section for only $3. Next, you're going to need a spray paint color of choice. I chose this metallic rose gold with a little hint of glitter because it matches my daughter's room very nicely. Next, I'm going to show you how to put the pasta drying rack together. It is super easy to do. It is only a 3-step project. You can definitely put some hot glue on the wood just to seal everything together, or some wood glue. I will be doing that later, but right now I just wanted to show you how to put it together. Next, it's time to spray paint. I will definitely do 2 coats if it is possible. Once it's finished being spray painted, you definitely want it to dry for at least 1 or 2 hours. Some of the spray paints say 10-20 minutes, but I definitely would advise you to do at least 1 hour. It is finished and I absolutely love how it turned out. This is perfect for me to display some of my daughter's bows, and for only $3 to do, I couldn't be happier. So let's get into the next DIY. Next, for this DIY, you'll need a $1 candy dish from your local Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some spray paint or some acrylic paint. The first 2 steps requires you to paint the candy dish in the color of your choice and to let it dry for at least 2 hours. Next, I took my adhesive gems and I am just going to trim around the top edge of the candy dish. I'm going to go around it twice just to give it a little more of a chic look. Please feel free to glue it down if you want to. I didn't glue it down because I may be moving it around, but yes, if you want more of a permanent look, then definitely glue your gems down. I absolutely love how it turned out. I made 2 of them because I needed one in my room as well. I did this one just with a single trim around the edge and it definitely looks pretty. It holds my soap so well and it definitely goes with my farmhouse theme in our room. And the next one you will see has my daughter's bow clips in it and they look super cute inside of them. This is the one that you saw me make with the double pearl trim around the edge. So I hope you enjoy both of today's DIYs. I tried to make them very inexpensive but very useful for your home. If you want to see more videos like this, please put it in the comments below. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!